and once again it's a huge start. Seconds. That's all. Second spot right now. Carries on. Early pressure from him. Jostling for position. Ken Urata on the inside, and that's a beautiful move. Up right to the bumper, comes out, looks on the outside. Oh, very close indeed. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine, that's not, that's definitely not. You see the lights coming on now. Is something that might a little look on the inside, break a bit later, and if he's got half a car, then that line, well, before we do that, that is the move. Ken Urata still all over the back of Bradley Benedict Anthony, and it looks to me that he is going to try very, very soon. Bradley's not had any luck. He's pleading with half his clutch on, and Ken Urata trying at turn 9 on the inside. He's got half a car.
The inside. He's everywhere at the moment, all over the back.
Now, you saw, and he loves turn 9. He's come out on the inside again. This is where he took.
Great driving from Ken Urata of the RWORKS Rios team.
Oh, Humphries trying to get another half car length just on the inside.
Humphries gets it back.
Well, this is the battle of the morning so far.
Ken saying no. Ken saying no. I'm keeping this.
This is brilliant defensive driving. And there is Ken Urata. Another huge performance from him.
We're confident to overtake with our brake. Brake is Dixcel is so good.